Hello students, in this video we will discuss Kohlrausch law. According to this law, at infinite dilution, each ion of an electrolytic solution contributes a definite amount of equivalent conductance to the total value regardless of the nature of the other ions present. किसी भी इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सॉल्यूशंस में जो आयंस होते हैं वो एक डिफरेंट अमाउंट ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस देते हैं. ठीक है. मैथमेटिकली दिस लॉ कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज लैम्डा नॉट इक्वल टू कैपिटल लैम्डा प्लस लैम्डा नॉट माइनस. दिस इज equivalent conductance at infinite dilution. This is ionic conductance of the cation at infinite dilution. This is also ionic conductance of the anion at infinite dilution. Next, application of Kohlrausch law. First, this is a very important, okay? Determination of equivalent conductance of weak electrolyte at infinite dilution. We cannot directly measure the equivalent conductance of weak electrolyte because weak electrolyte not completely dissociate. Its total ionization is not possible. Kohlrausch can here be used in the determination of equivalent conductance of a weak electrolyte. For examples, the equivalent conductance of acetic acid can be determined by knowledge of equivalent conductance of CH3, COONA, NaCl and HCl because acetic acid is a weak electrolyte. Basically, Kohlrausch law explain weak electrolytes because weak electrolytes is not completely dissociate in its ion. According to Kohlrausch law, CH3 CONA equal to lambda naught CH3 CO minus plus lambda naught Na plus. Okay. For sodium acetate, next, capital lambda naught NaCl equal to lambda naught Na plus plus lambda naught Cl minus. Next, for HCl equal to lambda naught H plus plus lambda naught Cl minus. Now, if equivalent conductance of CH3CONA and HCl are added and that of NaCl is subtracted from the sum, the equivalent conductance of acetic acid is obtained. Let's see. Okay. Equal CH3 COO minus plus lambda naught Na plus plus lambda naught H plus plus lambda naught C minus minus lambda naught Na plus minus lambda naught Cl minus equal to lambda naught CH3 CO minus plus lambda naught H plus means CH3 COH. We can calculate this process. Second application of Kohlrausch law is calculation of ionic conductance. If the transport number of the ion and equivalent conductance of electrolyte at infinite dilution are known, the ionic conductance of ions can be calculated as follows: lambda naught plus T naught plus capital lambda naught minus equal to T naught minus lambda naught. T naught is the transport of cations. T naught minus is the transport number of ions, anions. Third application is the calculation of degree of dissociation. If the equivalent conductance at infinite dilution for a weak electrolyte are determined by Kohlrausch law, its degree of dissociation can be calculated as follows: capital lambda divided by capital lambda naught. Fourth application is calculation of solubility of sparingly soluble salt. If a specific conductance for an electrolytic solution is known and molar conductance at infinite delta and determined the Kohlrausch law, the solubility या concentration of sparingly soluble salts can be determined divided by m. Okay, like, share and subscribe.